This is a demonstration of a phosphate test kit. Before beginning your test, it is important to make sure you wear the proper safety equipment. Gloves and safety glasses should be worn. Before adding your sample to the vial, it is important to rinse the vial 3 times with the sample to be tested. This minimizes the chance of contamination from a previous test. Once you have rinsed the vial 3 times, fill to the 5 ml line with your sample. Use the pipette to add 1 ml of VM phosphate reagent. Cap and mix. Wait 5 minutes. Insert the Phosphate Octaslide 2 bar into the Octaslide 2 viewer and place the vial into the viewer as well. Match the color of the sample to the color standard. Record results as P04. The Octaslide 2 viewer should be held so a non-direct light enters through the back of the viewer.